Now student, next question is 6 Roman 1. This is also from exercise 2.3 class 10 general maths. So the first question 6 Roman 1 is, if one zero of the polynomial, this is the polynomial, is 1, then find all other zeros. We'll now going to solve out this 6 Roman 1. Let's have a look how to solve this one. Look student, we're going to solve that 6 Roman 1 of exercise 2.3. Now look, it is a px equal to now 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1. This is the polynomial. And next one we'll write that since 1 is a 0 of px. 1 is the 0 given in the question. 1 is the 0. Then we can say that so x minus 1 is a factor of px. Students, maybe you have learned the factor theorem in class 9, and I am just using that factor theorem here. In this line I am using the factor theorem, so this could be easier for solving. Since okay, now on dividing, next one, on dividing px by x minus 1, so what we'll get now, let's go for the long division here. So here is 3x cube, then x square minus 3x plus 1. Now next one students, x minus 1 here on dividing px by x minus 1, which means this value of px will be divisible by x minus 1. Now let's go for the long division. There is 3x cube, there is x only. We'll write down here 3x square. Now look, 3x square into x, which means 3x cube, then 3x square and minus 1 is here x square. Now look, after that second line sign will change, so this become minus and this become plus. Cancel this. There is plus 3 and minus x, plus 3x square minus x square, which means there is 3 minus 1 is 2x square. Plus sign in front of the bigger number, so there is plus 2x square, then minus 3x, then plus 1. Now next one student, there is 2x square, so clearly I will just write down here twice x. Twice x into x is 2x square. Now there is 2x into minus 1 is twice x. Now after that there is minus and this is plus. Cancel this one. Minus 3x and this is plus 2. I repeat again, minus 3x and plus 2, which means minus x plus 1 here. Minus 3x plus 2 minus x. Okay, now student, here just we'll write down minus 1. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 and minus is plus 1. So this become plus, this become minus, cancel, remainder is 0. So student, on dividing we'll get the px equal to, I'm writing here now, px equal to 3x square plus twice x minus 1 into x minus 1. This is, we have got, after dividing px by x minus 1, this is the quotient and this is the divisor, remainder is 0. Now look student, here 3x square twice x minus 1, so this can be solved with the help of middle term factorization, this portion only. So here student, I will write down 3x square and there is 2. If it is 2 and 3 into 1 minus 1 is minus 3, so here I will write 3 minus 1 x minus 1 and this will remain same here. Now look, after that there 3x square, then plus 3x minus x, and there is minus 1 and here x minus 1. Okay, now look, after that if I take common here 3x, if I take common 3x, then x plus 1, 3x into x, 3x square, 3x here means 1, and from here if I take minus 1 only, then x plus 1, then x minus 1. Now look, next one, this is x plus 1, these two are common, taking one time, x plus 1, and remaining part would be 3x minus 1, and this is x minus 1. So this is the px after solving this part px. Now look student, after that we need to find out the zeros of the polynomial, means other zeros. 1 0 is 1, and other zeros we have to find out. Now look, for zeros, of px, therefore px equal to 0. Now look, value of px is this one, so we'll just put down the value of px here. X plus 1, then 3x minus 1, then x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1, and there is x equal to, if I take minus 1 there, 3x 1, then x equal to 1 by 3, and here x equal to 1 only. So 1 0 is 1, and other 3 zeros are minus 1 1 1 by 3. So students, last line I can write like this, as here we can say that the last line px equal to 3x square, 3x cube minus x square, then minus 3x plus 1. all the zeros of px are, first one is 1, this is given, minus 1, then 1 by 3 1. These are the zeros of question number 6 Roman 1. Students, now question number 6 Roman 2. If two zeros of the polynomial, and this is the polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 9x square minus 3x plus 8, this is the polynomial, are given, the zeros are given root 3 and minus root 3, then we have to find all other zeros. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 6 Roman 2. Students, now just write down that 6 Roman 2 here, 6 Roman 2. Now look, after that, here first of all we'll write here that let px equal to, now what is the px value here, means polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 9x square minus 3x plus 8. Now look, after that, alpha means 1 0 is given root 3 and other is given minus root 3. So here we can say that here, or if I write let alpha equal to root 3 and beta equal to minus root 3. Now look, after that, now sum of the zeros, sum means alpha plus beta is sum. Alpha plus beta is what is the value here, alpha plus beta means root 3 minus root 3, which means alpha plus beta equal to 0, and alpha into beta root 3 into minus root 3, which means there is minus root 3 whole square, then answer is 3 only. So alpha into beta is 3, which means sum of the zeros is 0 and product of the zeros is minus 3 only. Now look, after that student, the last line we'll write after that. So the quadratic polynomial whose roots are alpha and beta is given by, now look, the format of writing the quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. This is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. I repeat again, this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. If I give here equal to 0, then it is a quadratic equation. Now look, x squared minus value of alpha plus beta is 0 into x, and alpha into beta is how much, alpha into beta is minus 3. Now look student, x square, this becomes 0, and plus minus x square minus 3. So we can say that x square minus 3 is the factor of px. Now we'll go for the long division. Next line we'll write that on dividing dividing px by x square minus 3, we get, now look, the long division, which means the polynomial px is divisible by x square minus 3 since it is a factor of px. Now let's go for the long division. Now look student, this will go for the long division. There is x to the power 4, the highest power, and there is x square. So first of all, x square we'll write down here. X square into x square is x to the power 4. Minus 3 into x square we'll write down here minus 3x square. I cannot write x square here because this power is x cube. That's why x to the power 4 is there. Now look, after that student, sign will change, this become minus and this become plus. This will go for the cancellation, and minus 9x plus 3, which means minus 6x square. Now this will come down as x cube, and after that minus 3x, then 8. Now x cube only, so we'll just put down here plus x. Plus x into x square is x cube. Now minus 3 into x is minus 3x, so this will cancel again, this become minus, this will become plus, so cancel and cancel. Now look student, after that there is minus 6x square and there is plus 8. Now next one students, there could be x square x, and this is we'll just put down here minus 6. Minus 6 into x square is minus 6x square, and minus minus plus there is 18. Minus minus plus there is 18. Now look student, there is a mistake in the question. There is 18 actually, there is a mistake in the question. This is also 18, also 18. Now remainder is 0. In your book also, if this question is there 6 Roman 2 and that is 18. Wait, look here also students, you have to make this one 18. It is given 8 in the book, but actually it is 18. A question is given wrong in the book. So student, in the last line you can say that px equal to x square plus x minus 6, and there is x square minus 3. Remainder is 0. Now look student, after that student, now for the zeros of px, therefore px equal to 0. Now what is the value of px here? Look, this is the value of px here, x square plus x minus 6 and x square minus 3. This is the value of px. Now student, look here, either x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 or x square minus 3 equal to 0. So here x square, if I take 3 on that side, become plus 3. Then x square, if I remove the square, then there will be plus minus root over 3. So we can say that x equal to plus 3 and minus 3. This is the given question, given zeros actually. Now we'll solve that part. Student, here now look, x square plus x minus 6. So here x square plus, here student 3 minus 2 means 3 minus 2 is 1, then x minus 6 equal to 0. Now look, after that there is x square, then 3x, then 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now next would be x, if I take x common, then x plus 3 will be here, minus 2 common, then x there is minus x minus 3 will equal to 0. Now look here student, after that there is minus, if I take minus 2 common, then plus 3. So next would be x plus 3 here, and there is x minus 2 equal to 0. There is minus 6, now minus 2 common, then plus 3 here. So here we can say that therefore x plus 3 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 3, and there is x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. So last line of this question we can write like this, as the zeros of the polynomial px equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 9x square minus 3x and plus 18. In your book it is given plus 8, actually it is plus 18. The question is given in the wrong in the book. The zeros of the polynomial, these are root 3 minus root 3 minus 3 and 2. This is the answer of 6 Roman 2.